Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome to Core Corner. Today we have yet another episode with an artist who has been singing for almost 3 decades, worked in the National School of Drama for about 3 years, performed for thousands of events, lent her voice for playback singing and also TV serials, worked with many eminent, legendary artists. She is none other than the queen of versatility, Shruti Bide. Welcome, Shru. ಶ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಬಿಡೆ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್. ಕೋರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ diving deep into your life and trying to understand your life, especially the musical journey from your birth till date. So first things first, I just wanted to know about your birthplace and family.
Okay, sure. Firstly, thank you for inviting me. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಏನಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಟೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೂ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್, what have we achieved, all this.
Correct.
Definitely.
I just wanted to also document this, of an artist. Ellarigu gottagadu ಒಂದು glamorous face in front of the audiences, but then ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರಮ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ನೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಲಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ಲಿ ಟು ಬಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ.
ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಮಾಮ್, ಡ್ಯಾಡ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಬಿಡೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಚನಾ ಬಿಡೆ, ಅವರಿಂದಾನೇ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅವ್ರು ಪಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು, ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ರೀತಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಂಗೀತ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಂದಾನೇ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ, ಅವರು ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವಿಶಾರದ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್.
So you had a lineage of music in your family?
Definitely. Even my grandfather, for that matter, he was a very good singer, but he used to not come out.
Oh.
But he had a very good musical sense, good collection of songs, and Manel, it's always been only music for us. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ till we go to bed, only and only music.
ಸೂಪರ್. ಬಿಡೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ where are you from?
Maharashtra. Yes. Actually Maharashtra.
But ಹುಟ್ಟಿ
ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ. I am a proper Kannadati.
That's why you're able to sing so many languages at ease also.
That helps me a lot. Kandita. So born and brought up here. My father is from Pune and mother is from Nagpur. So my grandfather got transferred to Bangalore in the year 72. So from that time my father settled here, and then my mom got married and came here. So it's
what about your brother, Shru?
Brother, yeah, he's actually I would say very interested in music, but he was more into dance avaga.
Hauda?
As kids, so it used to be he dancing and me singing. So it
full entertainment
house. So my brother's name is Rahul Bide. So he's also been one silent support always. Antara avanu ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಗಳಲ್ಲ. But I remember one incident, if I may just share. So I was a part of this competition, Voice of Bangalore anta. And I got selected. I went to the finals. And finals ge ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. And I sang one song from Tal. ನೀಮೆ ಸಮಜ್ ಗೈ, ನೀಮೆ ಸಮಜ್ ಗೈ, ನೀಮೆ ಸಮಜ್ ಗೈ, ಗಲದೀರ ಮಜ ಮೆ ಸಮಜ್ ಗೈ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ of course I came as the first runner up. I didn't win, but then my brother never, he is open with me like this. Onthara avanu exterior is always onthara strict brother tara. Okay, avattu avanu nange after I finished the event, he is like, you sang so beautifully. And ನನಗೆ ಅಳು ಬಂತು when you sang ನಿಮೆ ಸಮಜ್ ಗೈ. I was crying ಅಂತ ಅಂದ. ಅವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಈಗಲೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈ ಜುಮ್ ಅನ್ನತ್ತೆ.
How sweet.
Because generally the male, they don't show their emotions so much.
Correct.
So we never know what's going on in their mind. But when he said that, it was like, okay.
this is the
that bond.
This is a calling, and then this is where I need to be. And then
exactly.
The man, who's so ಒಂಥರ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಇಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಇರೋಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ರಿಯಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ 100% into this field.
ಹೌದು.
But thanks to you that you are in this field, that many of us are benefited from you. If we have to recall your guru's true, ಹೆಂಗಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗುರು?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಎಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯವಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ
ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಜೋಕ್. ಬಟ್ ಯಾ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್. ನನಗೆ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಫಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಮಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತ ಅಳ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೆನ್. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಓಕೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೇನೋ. ದೇ ಪುಟ್ ಮಿ ಟು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಾಯಿ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದಿದೆ ಅದಿದೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಭಯ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಳೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಜ್ವರಾನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಅವತ್ತ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರು, ಅಪ್ಪ ಬೇಡ ಇವಳಿಗೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿ ದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಬಿ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರದ ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 3 is what Amma says that I had hummed one alap of Thandi Hawaye. Adardandu ha 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 la 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 kaise bulaye. ಇದು
3 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದು ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹಮ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ನೌ ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು.
This is also why we are doing this, because from birth till date our transformation from where to where ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಜರ್ನಿನ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ 20 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೂ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸ
ನನ್ಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಜರ್ನಿ. We have something to validate that I have.
That's why they say artists never fade. I mean, they're always alive.
Always alive. And always. Thanks to you that you're making this possible. Really.
A lot of people do it, but
no.
For me,
Karelu bekalva.
For me, I find, your journey has been tremendous.
Thank you.
When did you start off your concerts, Shru?
Concerts, I would say, professionally, like proper full time, I started only in 2013. Yeah. Adak munche I have been, like, since childhood I have sung in many places. Appa jote orchestra al haadtidde. Eshto sali female singer.
Your father is an immensely talented singer alla.
Amazing ಅವರು. ಅವರಿಂದಾನೇ ಈ ವರ್ಸಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಲೋಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದೇನೇನೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಹೌ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ.
She also sings.
She sings very well, but she didn't get the right push earlier. No.
I know.
And those she was more into studies. She's a postgraduate in social welfare, so adralli she was busy. As mother, how important a mother is, because nangiga nobody understands what kind of stress I go through before a program. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಮೇಕಪ್, ಆ ಹಾಡು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಾಟರ್, ಯು ಲೀವ್ ಹರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಯು ಗೋ ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ 100%.
How sweet.
That is so important.
That is so important. ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ತಿಂತ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹುಷಾರಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ,
ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ our parents for granted ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಏನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಈಗೀಗ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಅವರು ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. They are ultimate.
It's a complete family effort for an artist to be what she is.
Exactly.
Alla?
Yeah. So initially I used to sing a lot, and orchestral ಹಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲಿ that time female singer career, it used to be a big deal because there were not many female singers. So sometimes the female singer used to not come. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ used to tell me, you sing. ಈ ಕೋರಸ್ ಇದ್ ಹಾಡು, ಆ ಆಲಾಪ್ ಹಾಡು, ಹಮ್ಮ ಹಮ್ಮದ ಆಲಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ತುಮ್ಮಿಲೆ ದಿಲ್ಕಿಲೆ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಅದು ಫೇಡ್ ಅವೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಟ್ ಒಂಥರ
such a beautiful way of introducing ಅಲ್ಲ to the stage.
And orchestra ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is for us the base. ಒಂಥರ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ orchestra used to be like amazing. People ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ. That was the one of the mode of entertainment
of course.
So yeah, so that is how.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಯೋ ಅಂತ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಬರೋರು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೋಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಸವನಗುಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಚೇರಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಿಕೆಟೆಡ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್
ಅದರದ್ದು ಕಳೆನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಆಡಂಬರ, ಅದು ವೇ ಇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ಜನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆ ಶಿಳ್ಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ an artist needs,
I know. What about your stint in the National School of Drama? I know that you come from
so actually started off my theatre journey in the 8th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ರೇಮಾ ಕಾರಂತ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು to do a workshop in our school. And ಅವಾಗ ಇಸ್ಪೀಟ್ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕನ ಅವರು ಡಿರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. and they had ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಲೈಕ್ whoever is willing to come you can come and register ಅಂತ, ಫ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ as always. And then they had asked anyone who are singers ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಯು ಅಂತ, ಮೇಳ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಐ ಸ್ಯಾಂಗ್, ಶಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಶಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಅವ್ರೇನಂದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಾಟಕ, ಬೆನಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಾಟಕ ಕೇಂದ್ರ, ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟಕ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು, ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೀ, ನೀನ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್.
Does it help? True, I really want to know if theatre sessions or training, does it help in your singing also?
Definitely.
ಹೌದಾ?
Definitely. See,
ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಈಗ ನಂಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ನಾನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ಸ್. You just can't. And if you've seen Rangashankara,
correct,
it doesn't have any microphone setup. I don't know about now how it is, but when we used to perform there, it was so aatarane adu. It helps, it builds your vocal cords. But now ಈಗ touch wood, everyone asks me, what do you do to maintain your voice? How do you modulate so much? It is actually all these small trainings that we've got unknowingly. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬಾ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡ್ರಾಮಾಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಹಾಡೋಣ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೇಮಾ ಕಾರಂತ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ. ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾರ್, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಆ ಥರ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದ, ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆನಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಾಟಕ ಕೇಂದ್ರ.
ಸೂಪರ್.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್.
Makes you a lot more
confident. You know how to deal with certain situations. These are all life lessons.
Correct.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ all these actors and all, no, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ our foundation is theater. So they can gel into any role easily. So it all helps a lot, all these things.
ಸೂಪರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು, ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ದಟ್ you have to come into this field, or no, it's willingly that you
Actually, my mom didn't want me to
You did.
become a professional singer.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದೊಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬೋದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ.
ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಆ ತರ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ದೇ ವರ್ ವೆರಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮೈಂಡೆಡ್. ಆವಾಗ್ಲೇ ವಿ ನೆವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಆ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ concerned because Appa was in orchestra, so his agin the payments and all were not that on time.
Correct.
Okay, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ they used to just not pay. So Amma was like, don't enter a field where you don't have a constant income. And she's always told, always have a constant income. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅವಾಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ that used to be the norm also.
Exactly.
In every family you used to feel like you should have a security in your finances.
Correct.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ. Why I was asking you is because back then ಅದೊಂಥರ ಟ್ಯಾಬು ಇತ್ತು. ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಒಂಥರ.
ಹೌದು.
I mean they were judgmental. All said and done.
Rajni, there are lots. There is one
set of
people who think this can't be a profession. There are a set of people, but we can't help it.
That's
but
true.
Of course,
and to maneuver through that phase alla must have been so difficult for you all alla. Ikkade this is what is your passion and this is what you want to pursue, but at the same time there are so many people trying to ಒಂಥರ discourage you also and then talk demeaningly also. Avaga it must have been so difficult to actually make that decision that yes, I want to be this and then be in this profession come what may. Must have, including the family, I feel sometimes not everybody, the extended family might not even accept alla. So was it difficult for you?
No, actually not. Actually
great.
Thankfully I'm blessed. Family ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಂದೂ ನನಗೆ don't go into this line or that line ಆ ಥರ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. But only thing is my mom was like, don't take it as a profession, like your only source of income ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Take a job.
But I think you proved the whole world wrong.
So no, actually since I'm coming to that point, let me tell about my husband. So Sandeep was very instrumental in me taking up music as a complete full-time profession. So madve aadmelene 2013 April I got married, and 2013 June was my first stage show which I did. Yes. So it was, of course, before that I have done, but like full-time without any other profession. Like I had left everything then. Only music. He said, give 1 or 2 years completely to this field. You build it slowly. Definitely you will make it.
How nice.
He who pushed
definitely,
me.
That kind of support is so essential for an artist.
It is the...
And he's the only man who is supposed to stand like that, as a pillar, and then he did that. Hats off to him, Allah.
Yes. So
super.
He's really... So before that also, Appa Amma used to take me. Wherever programs ide, enadru sanna putta, they used to take me. But my audio engineering, what I had done, I was working for a channel.
Oh, tell us a little about your audio engineering that you worked for in a TV channel.
I did my 3 years of diploma in audio engineering after my 12th. And then I started as an intern with TV9 Kannada, and ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 7 ತಿಂಗಳು ಇದ್ದೆ. Then I switched to ಅವಾಗ ಈನಾಡು ಇತ್ತು, ETV. ಈಗ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, of course. But I worked with ETV then. Then again I came back to the English channel News 9, which is TV9's English channel. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ as an audio engineer. So it was a nice time. And
ಒಂಥರ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ you have an know-how of how it works also, alva. So
exactly.
it really helps when you're on stage or off the stage also to understand how this output should be, how the input should be.
Definitely it helps a lot.
So when did you start off your stage programs? When I ask you about the recordings and everything you have done, I know that thousands of shows by this time. So just take us through how it all started, and then how difficult or how challenging was it to get to this place, because there's so much crowd, and how do you still stay relevant in this field and then so sought after and most wanted? I know that
Okay, now See, firstly, I am more of a performer. Nange playback gina, I would always prefer a stage performance because I like that immediate response from the audience. I like to perform.
Also connect so well with.
I prefer that. Of course, playback. Actually, I have done a couple of songs. I'm just waiting, fingers crossed, for it to release. So once that happens, then I'll at least call myself proudly, I'm a playback singer. And I've done one or two. I have, but they didn't do so well. So I'm just waiting for that right song to hit the right note. Let me see. But yeah, of course, coming back to your question. So it was definitely difficult. And I started off as a chorus singer.
Actually. I have seen you like that. And from there to now.
You know me more than anyone.
Yeah, but ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೂನು ಆ ಕೋರಸ್ choir ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ್ಲೂನು your voice stood out.
Exactly.
I mean, ಆ concert ಎಲ್ಲ I remember, I think that was the first concert I attended of you, where you were actually in the choir, but you also got an opportunity to sing one solo.
Yes.
And ಆವತ್ತೊಂದು I saw it and I said, my God, this girl has a potential to pull off as a solo singer. I was thinking this girl can actually carry off a show on her own shoulder. She should come out from there and then start doing shows, and that's when I noticed anta ಒಂದು depth and capacity to that tonal texture ಅಲ್ಲಿ to connect with thousands of people. It was in Good Shepherd Auditorium. I still remember.
See, ನನಗೆ I never had a long term dream ಆ ಥರ. Okay, ನನಗೆ I am always a person who goes with the flow.
That helps.
That helps. You ತುಂಬಾ expectations ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, if we don't reach there, we are only going to suffer. Nobody else. Okay, so better to just go with the flow, enjoy the whole process. So for me, getting a chance to sing chorus, that itself was a very big thing.
Correct.
Okay, so I was enjoying that process.
I still remember you were in your yellow and black suit then.
You know what? When I bought that, Sandeep was calling me a taxi.
ಅದು ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, because you really stood out in that concert.
Correct. So it's definitely been difficult, and being a chorus singer, again, as I told you, everything helps us in our journey. It helped me immensely. I learnt a lot because chorus singing is actually very difficult. Very difficult. So to be in sync with the others, that helps a lot. That makes you more aware of your shruti, the scale, to concentrate on your scale, not to deviate from the scale. So all that helped me again when I started doing my solo performances as an individual singer. I also have
a lot of respect for these choir singers, especially. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದೊಂಥರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಥ್ರೋ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓವರ್ ಪವರ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ವೋಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೋ 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 ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್.
ನಿಜ. And coming from a theatre background, for me everything was loud singing. ಅದೊಂದು ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೋರಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಅಗೇನ್ shrink my voice to suit different kinds of songs. So ಅದೊಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So now everything has come, and it's come like a package to me, which is helping me in my individual singing. Theatre is helping me how to modulate, how to make your voice round. You have to sound round. ಒಂಥರ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ that you sound very complete, round voice. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಆವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ what they mean ಅಂತ. So it all helps, and it has been a journey which I definitely I don't have any
regrets about
regrets. I have enjoyed each and every concert, whether it is choir or main singing, and I thank all the organizers, including you, so many others. No, Rajni, it is opportunities illa andre how will we prove ourselves?
What would an organizer also look for, alva? I mean, for anybody you can put up a show, you can do everything, but if you don't have a person who has that caliber, so I mean it's mutual. I mean, that of course, without a talented singer on stage or a talented artist on stage, what can an organizer also do? I mean, thanks to you guys, that you guys inspire us to, think of something bigger, better, something different. Yes. At least for me, I feel, that, ಏನೋ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶೋ ಟುಡೇ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ that inspires me actually.
Same here. So whatever opportunities I've got have always helped me to grow.
You've also lent your voice for TV serials alla Shru?
ಹೌದು. I had sung
that
for
was
one.
a beautiful
ಎರಡು ಕನಸು.
ಎರಡು ಕನಸು. Do you remember?
There's something like ಹಾಡುವೆ ಜೋಗುಳ ಜೋಗುಳ ಹಾಡುವೆ
ಮಲಗಿ ಮಲಗಿರಿ ಕಂದಗಳೇ ನನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಕನಸುಗಳೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ತನಕ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ಕನಸುಗಳು.
Something like that. I don't remember. It was a beautiful song.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಲರ್ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
ಆ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಬಂತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಗ ಮುಗ್ದು ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ maybe didn't have that lasting impression, but that was a beautiful song for me.
I remember.
You remember, of course. A lot of them like that. But then that was one of my very important, studio recordings, I would say. I learnt a lot during that.
ಹೌದಾ?
I was not more into studio work ಆವಾಗ. So that helped me. ಅದೊಂಥರ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಲಿ. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ವೆರಿ ಟಾಕಿಟಿವ್. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಕಿರ್ಚೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ವಿಚ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ. ದಟ್ ಆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್, ದೋಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಹಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಹಾಡಬೇಕು.
Who's been your inspiration or who's your role model in singing? I know that everybody will give you something
or the other. So
but adrolage somebody who will stand out as a person, whom you want to emulate, and then you want to
see performance wise, I have always been a Sunidhi fan. Sunidhi Chauhan. Always. Even today, when I see her now, the way she performs, I think, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ತರ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
I'll tell you, in fact, in the latest show, that this is something that I really want to tell the audience and whoever is going to watch this. I have still not come across somebody who can own the stage, own the show on their own shoulder, just like you. Foot tapping numbers bandaga, in that kind of a rhythm, back to back, guys, she sang 24 or 25 songs non-stop. Musicians ge sustagtide, dance madoruk sustagtide, but this madam is not giving up. Come on, let's do it. You win or I win, let's see another. It was not a challenge, but then she was just there, making hundreds and hundreds of people dance. Avrige sustayitu, but ಹಿಂಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಂಜಾಬಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಹಿಂದಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, anything and everything. Oh my God, hats off to you, Shru. I think nobody can do that. Bow to you, completely bow to you.
Thank you. Thank you. ಅದೇ that is what is journey ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಹಂಗೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದು.
But that is
one thing for me, music is not just a profession. It is in my blood. ಒಂಥರ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ನಿದ್ದೆನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಊಟನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಏನು ಬೇಡ. I can keep dancing, I can keep singing for hours together, touch wood. Because ನನಗೆ it is all that I have done my entire life.
It energizes you more, in fact.
Energizes you. Ayyo, nange even at 12 o'clock in the night, I'll keep dancing sometimes. Everyone will be sleeping. Nan yavado earpods alli nan haad haki nan dance ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, because I want that energy to be thrown out. Then I can sleep peacefully. ಶೋಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ even every time it has to be music, dance. This is my life. Complete. If someone asks me, what is your life? It is music and dance. And of course, food.
That makes a person happy, contented, and lively. Yes.
Be happy. That is all. If you are happy, people around you will obviously be happy.
Correct.
That is always one thing. Yeah, so as I was saying, Sunidhi Chauhan is my all-time favorite. I've been following her since her Meri Awaaz Suno when she won. Avatinda, her journey as a playback singer in Mast, Ruki Ruki Si Zindagi, Hui Hui Main Mast, all those songs. Antara, they used to make me, feel that ನಾನು ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸುನಿಧಿ ಚೌಹಾನ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಬರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಟಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್. I know all her songs. You ask me.
ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು
चोरी चोरी किया रे दिल ये दिल दिया रे, चोरी चोरी किया रे दिल ये दिल दिया रे, जादू से जादू किया रे, जागी सोई रहूं खोई खोई रहूं उसकी यादों में उसके ख्वाबों में झूमे जिया रे, क्रेजी किया रे ओ क्रेजी किया रे.
Super. Nange, what I like the most about you is, ಚಿತ್ರಾ ಚೇಚಿದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೆಲೋಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸುನಿಧಿ ಚೌಹಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಲೀಶಾ ಚಿನಾಯೋ ಹಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಥರ that's why probably you are called the queen of versatility. For me, I feel, none can match that kind of, bandwidth that you have in terms of versatility. Like you said, for you are a thorough out and out performer. Nange one melody. Who are the singing queens, that you follow as melody queens?
Definitely, first is Lata Mangeshkar ji. Okay, then S. Janakamma. Like her dynamics, the way she emotes a song, amazing.
ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡದ್ದು ಎಸ್ ಜಾನಕಿ ಅಮ್ಮದ್ ಹೇಳು ಶುರು.
ದೇವರಾಟ ಬಲ್ಲವರಾರು ಆತನ ಎದಿರು ನಿಲ್ಲುವರಾರು, ಕೇಳದೆ ಸುಖವ ಕೊಡುವ ಹೇಳದೆ ದುಃಖವ ಕೊಡುವ, ತನ್ನ ಮನದಲ್ಲೇ ಕುಣಿಸಿಯಾಡುವ ದೇವರ ಆಟ ಬಲ್ಲವರಾರು ಆತನ ಎದಿರು ನಿಲ್ಲುವರಾರು.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ.
ಸಾರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
It's okay because ಅದನ್ನೇ thousands of songs ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I think it's very natural for any human to forget the lyrics.
ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಇರಲಿ. So as I said, Lata Mangeshkar ji, S. Janakamma, then Asha ji. Asha ji's versatility, ada, nazakat, nakhras that Asha ji can bring into a song, I don't think anybody else can.
I love one of her songs that you sang, Sathire aur hadirada.
Lovely song adu. Music by the one and only Ravindra Jain. ಏನು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್. साथी रे भूल न जाना मेरा प्यार, साथी रे भूल न जाना मेरा प्यार, मेरी वफा का ए मेरे हमदम कर लेना एतबार, साथी रे भूल न जाना मेरा प्यार, साथी रे भूल न जाना मेरा प्यार.
Wow, ಎಂಥ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದಲ್ವಾ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ so beautiful, so difficult, and
just looking like a wow.
Just looking like a ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ರಿಯಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ into a different world altogether.
ಅದೇನೋ ಅದು it has something
I know
in it.
every time when you listen to it, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆ ಮುರ್ಕಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೂ ಒಂಥರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಶ್ರಾವ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀನ್ ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಬರೀ we can only listen to it and then feel good about it. We covered a little bit of Sunidhi Chauhan and then S. Janaki Amma and then Asha Bhosle ji. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಉಷಾ ಉತ್ತುಪ್ that is something. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಏನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಉಷಾ ಉತ್ತಪ್ದು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ who can sing just like her anta. I said, go to Shruti Bhide. She's the only one who can replicate her voice and aura on stage, just like the way Usha Uttap ji does. She's the only one I can think of. So please go approach her. She's the only one I can think of in the whole of Karnataka antande. And I think everybody will vouch for this statement, whoever has seen you perform like her on stage.
Thank you. Okay, so yeah, Usha Uttap. Pararum tararum tararum tirum tirum dirum da tirirum da दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से शान से शान से.
For a second we felt like we were actually in an auditorium in a live show. If you can recreate this in a small space like this, imagine what caliber you have, Shru.
Thank you.
Sustu.
And one more singer that I really love is K.S. Chitramma. I think ಅದೇನವರು
there's some divinity, there's something so melodious and like honey
whatever she sings and ಏನ್ ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ ಪಲ್ಕುಗಳು, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. and I feel so fortunate that I could meet her, I could spend quality time with her.
I was going to ask you now.
Amazing. And she's such a sweetheart, she's such a nice lady. ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ದೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಥ ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಈಗಲೂ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ she will stand up and greet anyone who comes to meet her,
and she never stops smiling at anybody. Alla antara ashtu.
And I just where we were staying for one of the shows, we were in the same hotel and nan room pakkadalle our room ittu. And one evening one time everyone can go and meet and greet her anta we had gone. Such serene atmosphere gotta, adralle gottagate. See, they are devoted to music.
Correct.
ಆ ಡಿವೋಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲದೆ ಆ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ್ರ ಫೋಟೋ, ಊದ್ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೂವು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒಂಥರ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೋಜರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒಂಥರ ಮಂತ್ರಮುಗ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ her behavior and her so sweet, she was blessing everyone. She was willingly ready to take photos. ಏನು tantrums illa. That makes them what they are. ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, they all ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು aura ಇರುತ್ತೆ. We all not, of course we all carry, but they have some different aura. The same I felt with SPB sir, and that was like only thanks to you it happened. Only and only thanks to you. I think one of my most cherished moments of my life.
So I would like you to just tell all of us who are these legendary artists with whom you have shared stage with. Of course, yes, SPB sir ಬಗ್ಗೆ
SPB sir again, as I was saying, ಒಂದು aura ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ. You have also experienced it. And ನನಗೆ for a singer like me who's not, I always somewhere feel I'm not learned, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಜರಿತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಒಂಥರ, ಯು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲು ನಡುಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
But you render it so beautifully that day.
ಅದೇನೋ that is all God's
ಒಂದು
grace.
ಚೂರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಂತೂ.
ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಸೀರೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಬಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ನಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ಅವ್ರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಡಿತು ಆ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದು, ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಒಂಥರ ಜೋಲ್ಟ್. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್. ಆವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು SPV ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್, ಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ನಾಟ್
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ಎನ್ಲೈಟನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಬುದ್ಧ, ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧ, ಮಹಾವೀರ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಹೂಸ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್, ಆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ.
These are all priceless moments of life. And really, I'll be ever thankful to you, Rajini.
You deserve it, so ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ you still haven't got your due. I still honestly, sincerely feel that, you should be working in the forefront, doing so much of playback singing for so many music directors. Probably through this, someday, somewhere, if somebody listens to it and then feel, okay, she is a box full of talent, adanna utilize ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ is
I hope and
yeah
pray.
I mean it will happen probably, but then I feel you deserve a lot more than what you have done, because I'm not saying it just because you're sitting here, because ivaga ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆನೆ ಒಂದು 10 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ somebody could see the versatility in that voice modulation. You could sound as sweet as Janki Amma and as powerful as Usha Utupji. So
Thank you.
Everything is in you, and for people to take it,
Thank you.
they should just look out for you and your voice.
Thank you. So coming back to your question, so I've shared stage with Khayyam Sahab, the legendary music director, Amol Palekar ji, Javed Akhtar ji, and of course Usha Uttup also. So that I would really thank Kannada Kogile, where I was a participant and finalist. They because of them I got that opportunity, and even today that footage is used in my concerts, to whenever I sing Usha Uttup songs and all, background all play agate, where we both are standing and singing together.
Was she invited there?
She was actually, our judges panel was Archana Udpa madam, Sadhu Kokila sir and Chandan Shetty. But when we started off the competition, initial mega audition round alli Sadhu sir couldn't come due to his professional commitments. So that just a day before they called Usha Uttup ji. And then the production team called me and they were like, tomorrow Usha Uttup is coming and we know you are a big fan, so we want you to get dressed like her and come for the mega audition. And I was like, okay. Then that night, blouse, ಸೀರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆ ಬೊಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಗ್ಲಿಟರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ I went and I sang my audition song, and then I just put on the glasses and gave her a surprise. She was like, oh my God. She was so happy, and
She's such a wonderful lady.
See, again, she is one more person who is a epitome of humility. Eshtu humble. She immediately gifted me her bindi. She called her makeup artist. She told, give me my bindi box, and she called me and she blessed me with that. And I still, it is like I need to frame it now. I'm using it in my performances. Her blessings are always there, and she is one more person, like after Sunidhi, I really look up to. And then I shared stage with Suman Kalyanpur ma'am. So all these are thanks to the organizers who have been too kind and who have always given me an opportunity. And I really, fold my hands and thank them for all these opportunities.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಮ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂಥರ they were really unique in bringing such artists of high caliber, because highest caliber.
Exactly. Lot of things happen in Bombay and all that. But for Bangalore, I think they were really like the
instrumental
pioneers
really
in bringing all these celebrities.
We also got to see them only because of them. Otherwise how would we even see that? Suman Kalyanpur du nee show ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, Khayyam Sahab, I have come.
Khayyam Sahab, that was all by Rotary. And so every organizer,
you were actually, I think you have shared stage with even Vijay Prakash sir.
Vijay Prakash sir, again thanks to you.
ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಸರ್.
ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾ ಹ್ಯಾವಂಟ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅದೇ ಅದೊಂದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ರಜನಿ,
I love his voice.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, who doesn't? Appa, what a voice, what a sweet voice. Everyone has that own unique voice texture.
I know. Everyone has, but everyone's you have a lot. That is even more unique.
Sometimes I feel, which is my original voice?
Everyone's voice in that one tone box, voice box, sorry. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
And Asha Bhosle ji, I could meet her and talk for like a brief 10-15 seconds. Again, that was because of Ma'am Entertainment. So ಅವರಿಂದಾನೇ ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Asha ji was, my God. Again, that lady also, that aura that she carries. ಮೈ ಜುಮ್ ಅನ್ನತ್ತೆ just to go stand next to them.
So blessed you guys are to actually meet like that, Allah. I mean, nice. That is one thing, any artist would want to. Whoever they have worshipped, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಗ್ಲಿಂಪ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ತರ.
ಖಂಡಿತ. And I would also like to thank my father-in-law and mother-in-law here. Because even that they have been very supportive of me.
Without family support, an artist cannot really do
never
anything.
Have they told don't go there and sing, don't go here, never. And they openly tell about me to their family, extended family, and they all feel so proud. And in ನಮ್ಮ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಹೋದ್ರೆ I'm like a celebrity, ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. I'm like, please ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. I don't feel like going only anywhere. Normal person ತರ.
ನಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ದಟ್ your parents in law, husband, child, cousins, brother, everybody will also feel like
parents. Here I would like to tell about my mom especially, because as a singer, and you were saying that how do you manage all the pressure and how do you still stay grounded? All thanks to my parents. ಒಂದು ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಿ, ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡೆಡ್. ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಯು ವಿಲ್, ಅದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಥರ ಪುಸ್ಸಾಗಿ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಬೀಳ್ತೀಯ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ to be there, like to all, every song we have to prove ourselves, Rajni. Every song. You can't take any.
I also feel that, every show that you are invited to sing for, I feel ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗೋದೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you do your thorough homework, and then it's not like ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದನ್ನ 20 ಸತಿ ಹಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. No, even then I think even for the smallest of the small shows or the biggest show also, you prepare yourself, you do your rehearsal, and then you come there. And I think that's one thing which I would definitely tell many other artists also to imbibe. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು
ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, everyone is investing their time. We can't take anybody for granted. Okay, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದೇನೋ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾವು, we can't waste others' time. ಅಲ್ವಾ?
That's a respect you give.
Exactly. You are being invited, we should equally give back. Or
organizer ಕೂಡ confident ಆಗಿ she can relax. For me, if I call you for a show, I know that ಅವಳದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವಳದು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೂರ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಗು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಲ್ ದೇ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅದರ್ ಶೋ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶೋ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಆ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ I mean, with you, I think, we can confidently say that, okay, she will do her best, and then, there's nothing to sit and worry about it. And there are a few artists like that, definitely.
I agree. So, there is a lot of pressure. Yeah. It's not like we are very ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೋಗೋದು, ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. Lot of stress we go through because we are always there in the limelight. I
wanted to ask you, what is the biggest challenge you have in this field, and what is the biggest perk that you feel you get out of this?
Challenge is sometimes not sometimes, you're always compromising with your health. ಅದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಆಗೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ you're concentrating on achieving that particular finesse, and you have to do your best. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, you don't eat on time. Okay, so health definitely goes for a toss. Adu, I think that is the most challenging part. We have to take care of our health, and I'm saying this where I don't take care of very pravachana martin ashte. But I really need to now, at least. It's high time. And the perk is definitely you're getting so much of blessings. Blessings, so much of warmth, love, affection. People are waiting to, and when they say that, oh, you're performing, I'm booking the ticket right away. What else do you need? That is something which is like, okay, somebody's coming to listen to me. That makes your day. It all this nidde, pidde, gudde, ella side ge hortogutte avaga. A happiness that comes to you.
I feel the biggest perk that you get being an artist is, first of all, being born as an artist. Andre advanthara, not everybody can be gifted with that. Allah, it's such a blessing right from there, from the heaven.
Yeah,
you
that
are
is true.
Artist anta ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? I mean,
yeah, you're right actually.
Artist,
that is why they look up to us like that, no? You know, special ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಒಂದು affection ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. That is something I really crave for. Of course, money is the different thing. ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಜೀವನ ನಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ. But these things, you know, they make you happy. But disclaimer, ಇದನ್ನ ತಲೆಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, because ಇದೆಲ್ಲ this will all fade away slowly. It is very important to know what you are going to, you know, be like after 5 or 6 years in this industry. Of course, as a person and all, it's different. Because every time there will be a downfall. When something is going up, it has to come down. It is a rule, nature's rule. So we are going, enjoy that process.
yeah.
Don't let it get to your head.
I think when you enjoy that, I think, you know, the downfall ಅದೆಲ್ಲಾನು it will also, you know,
downfall ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ first we have to keep it in our mind. Every time ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಲೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ everyone ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, we'll again
acceptance itself makes it
we'll again go back into the mud ground only. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲವ್ ಮೀ. ನೋ ದೇ ಲವ್ ಯು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ you know, you're a nice person. See, being a good person brings a lot in your performance.
Correct.
Having that ನಾನೇ ಗ್ರೇಟು, ನಂತರ ಯಾರು ಹಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. No, there are ಇವಾಗಂತೂ ಗಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. You have so many people who are talented. It's just about being in the right place at the right time. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Sometimes I feel ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೇಬಿ ಒಂದು 7-8 years ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್. ಜೋ ಹೈ ಜಿತ್ನಾ ಹೈ ಉಸ್ಮೆ ಖುಷ್ ರೆಹನಾ ಸೀಖೋ, ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿಸ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್.
ಒಂಥರ ಥರೋ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಶ್ರೀ. ಥಿಯೇಟರು, ಡಾನ್ಸು, ರೀಲ್ಸು, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗು, ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, these movies also, no, they teach us so much in life. Like this dialogue I always remember, jo hai jitna hai usme khush rehna seekho. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾವರ್ಚಿ ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಖನ್ನಾ ಮೂವಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಬ್ ಜಬ್ ಜೋ ಜೋ ಹೋನಾ ಹೈ ತಬ್ ತಬ್ ಸೋ ಸೋ ಹೋತಾ ಹೈ. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಹಾಕು, ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ and let people enjoy. Ashte.
Just tell us, you know, what are the important awards and rewards that you have been a recipient of, Anta? Because I know that you were conferred with that IFRM.
International Fellowship of Rotarian Musicians. They really gave me that one more push as you know, as an artist, you need that. Okay.
Yeah.
Aವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ that people are noticing what you're doing.
Correct.
That is like a thanks to you know, them, that they gave me that. And the entire, I mean, that particular year that I was given that award, I think everyone says that was the best because all of them were present. All the important people were there.
ಹೌದಾ?
Haudu. And Sihi Kahi Chandru sir and his wife, they were there to bless me.
So sweet.
So it was very special for me. And then Haveri district, you know, they have given me Kala Ratna award or Karsi. So all that I would really thank Kannada Kogile because it gave me a lot of face value.
How did this selection into this reality show happen, and what were the difficulties or, you know, challenges only, I would say, you know, because reality show nalli millions of people are watching you on the television. So
ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, when I was ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ I used to do lot of these auditions for Saregama, Indian Idol. That time I was a very ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಹಾಡೋದು, ಬರೋದು. ನೆವರ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್. ಆ ಥರ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ, ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಡು, ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಫೇಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಈ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್ and my parents, my mom and dad, they were like, you should do it. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗೋ, ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋ. ಸಂದೀಪ್ was like, you just go, don't worry, ಮುಂದೆ. because that time my daughter was just 3 years old and my in-laws were not here. They are in Mysore. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಇತ್ತು. he was like, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗು, ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ. I went, I auditioned, and they liked my singing. Then I got selected. So definitely it was quite challenging because firstly the rehearsals, almost dina practice irtittu. I used to carry my daughter Dhwani, take with me, and that time she was pretty young. So it was very difficult, but I used to do it. I was like, jaane do, jo hota hai hone do, let's go for it. ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ವಿ ವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ 4 ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್.
You were the most, you know, sought after contestant there who won maximum golden girl
buzzers.
golden girl buzzer.
Golden buzzers.
ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಹೆಸರು, ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಅಂತ.
And Archana ma'am actually gave me that
title,
ಚಿನ್ನದ ಹುಡುಗಿ, golden girl ಅಂತ. So those were, I used to enjoy. I used to like those, and special performances ಮಾಡೋದು. It's always been there in me, like my father. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, like my mom also. She was also into drama and all in college days, no? So ಏನೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. then I used to do all that ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶ್ಯಪ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ, ಸಿಗಿವೆಂ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹುಚ್ಚಿ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿನ ವಾಯ್ಸೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ. So again, then Kannada Kogilali Sadhu Kokila sir, he was one amazing support for me. Tumba nange support madoru, because he used to really appreciate all that I used to put in, all the, and he used to tell, ಇವರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. And he used to always ask me, ಏನಮ್ಮ ತಿಂತೀಯ ನೀನು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿನಗೆ? ಸರ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಊಟನೇ ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ, ಇಡ್ಲಿ. Nice, yeah, I had a nice time.
Yeah, and I think that really helped you get that kind of a mileage with the people you hadn't seen ever.
You know, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, there was a section, like there were contestants who were very like famous with the young crowd. My connect was more of, 35 and above, 40 and above. And wherever I used to go, though social media ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, because not many elderly people are on social media. But I used to go to restaurants and all these old ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಜ್ಜಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ತೀರಮ್ಮ, ನಿಮ್ ಪೂಜಿಸಲೆಂದೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಮಗೆ. I had gone, after that I had gone to ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ. You believe it or not, how much recognition I got. I was like, oh my God, Mysore Palace hodaga, with my family I had gone, like my extended family, full. They all were so thrilled. Nam Shrutina ಎಲ್ಲರೂ So all that is one experience, and I have no regrets that I did Kannada Kogile. No, people say that you didn't win it, you should have won it. I said it's not about winning. In general, you see, whoever has won is not doing much work.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ದಿರ that experience, you can't get that experience just like sitting at home and then thinking that okay, what if I don't win, what if I'm not declared as the topmost. No,
exactly. experience. And for me, I got so many songs which I can show off. I have a video of these songs, proper recording. It will come like ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿರ್ಗಾಡ್ಬೋದು. And I've done some beautiful performances in Kannada Kogile, which I'm proud of. And ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು, you will not win, we know. And
like you said, I think not many people who actually won there are getting as much work.
They don't even know who won. Okay, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರಲ್ಲ. What you do at that time is what people will remember, whether you win or lose. You have to make a place in their heart.
I completely give that credit to you, because you have that capacity to learn so many songs. And I think the kind of stock of songs that you have, incredible.
ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. I forgot lyrics of a song. My performance, ಇದು ಬಾಬಾರೋ ರಸಿಕಾ, I was doing both the voices. I was doing Upendra sir's voice also. Second charna, I went blank, and there is no retake. Have to one shot al ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Blank. I was just doing na 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 na. ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಲೆಗೆ. And that was Sadhu Kokila sir special round. ಅವ್ರದೇ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅದು. I went blank. So that is one experience which I know. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, I've been there, done that. ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೆ I don't feel like ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೋ, it is all very small in front of all those blunders. So it's
must have taken a toll on you alla avagantu,
andre too much, the shooting hours and all. And they used to always keep my performance in the last, because they know I used to be energetic even in the night.
The disadvantage of showing yourself to be an energetic person.
So but it was nice. Everyone was very kind. God has been very kind. My parents, my in-laws, my husband, my daughter, my brother, everyone has been very supportive. My organizers, my musical friends, whoever,
your fans and followers, everyone, and audiences,
all their blessings. And I'm always ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಚಿರಋಣಿ to all of them for.
That's why you are where you are. That's why ಅದ್ ಕೊನೆಗ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. That is why you are where you are.
Where you are, and we have to be happy with whatever God has blessed us with. ಸಾಕು, ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮುಂದಿನ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸಾಧನೆ.
ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆನ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್.
So yeah, so I really want to thank my parents again, and my husband for being
your
there.
Husband is also such a brilliant audio engineer. What is he?
He's actually a cinematographer.
Okay.
So actually now alle sikkidi, he was in my college, he was my 1 year senior. But we didn't talk much. Sumne hello, hi, ashte. Then when we started working for the same news channel, that is when We liked each other's company, like-mindedness.
Very simple boy.
Very simple. He loved my singing. He had seen me sing in Voice of Bangalore. Ad ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ and all that. ಅಲ್ಲಿ he always had, he'd watched one movie, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಜಾಲಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ that girl sings and he falls for her. ಹಿಂಗೆ he liked me because I was a singer. Good, no? And he's a wonderful person.
He's a wonderful person. I know he's also very respectful towards everybody. Wherever we meet,
very
you know.
Sweet, humble guy.
Very sweet, grounded, nice family. ಅದ್ವನಿನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ.
ಅದು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೆ ಈಗಲೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನ. ಶಿ ನೋಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಅವಳ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಅವಳು ಅದೇನೋ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಗಾಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಅ ವೆರಿ good things for her. I know that.
Thank you, Shru. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you for bearing with me.
Thanks for, making us also relive your journey from birth till date. That's so beautiful. And then, we would love to, keep sitting and then watching this again and again and again. And it's a very, very interesting conversation that we had. Thank you so much. Means a lot to me.
Thank you so much. And it's a wonderful space that you have created here. So positive, so nice, really. And I really would wish to come here, and may this reach more people. This space, it's beautiful.
I'm hoping.
I will definitely do whatever possible from my end.
Thanks.
Thank you, Rajni. Thanks a lot for making this happen. Thank you.
रनार हम छोड़ेगा नहीं जी, एक चतुर नार हम पकड़ के रखेगा जी, मेरे मन के द्वार ये घुसत जात हम मरद जात, अरे चतुर नार करके सिंगार. क्या रे ये घोड़ा चतुरा घोड़ा चतुरा घोड़ा चतुरा, एक पे रहना, या घोड़ा बोलना या चतुरा बोलना. गा एक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार, अपने ही जाल में फंसत जात, मेरे मन के द्वार